It's Just a Fun Guy. This is Just a Fun Guy Coins. Today I have a pretty big announcement. Originally I was going to celebrate 260 subscribers, but within a blink of an eye that shot up to 270. It's probably about a 268, 269 now, but hopefully by the time this video comes out I'll be over 270, and I can't believe it. I thought hitting 100 subscribers was a big milestone. I thought hitting 200 was a big milestone. Now I'm almost at 300, and before you know it, I'll be at 1,000, and that's pretty much my dream right now, is to reach 1,000. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And today, I'm covering more of my coins that I got for another birthday present. I got 5 countries coins I'm going to discuss today. I have Germany, European Union, Australia, Italy, and last but certainly not least, PewDiePie's country, Sweden. I'm going to cover these in no particular order, but just all 5 of them, and one degree or another. So, I think there's a lot of coins in the Germany bag. I think I'll cover Germany first. Let's go! The first German coin I have for you is a 1 Pfennig. The 1 Pfennig coin was produced from the years 1950 until 2001. On the obverse is an oak seedling above the date. The translation of the lettering is the Federal Republic of Germany. The mint mark in between the 2 writers above the denomination, the mint mark can be, the one I have is the D mint mark. And it's made of a copper-clad steel, and it was a standard circulation coin. They made over 90,951,000 minted, and the value of these coins can range from 12 cents in very good condition to 26 cents in AU condition. The next coin I have from Germany is the 2 Pfennig, and the one I have is from 1959. It looks very similar to the 1 Pfennig, except it's a little bit larger and has a 2 on it. The period is from West Germany, and that's from 1948 to 1989, and the coin composition is made out of bronze. The mint mark I have of this 2 Pfennig is D, and that means it's from Munich, Germany. There were 19,690,389 minted, and the value of a D mint mark 2 Pfennig from 1959 is about 15 cents. The most valuable mint mark would be an F mint mark, and that would bring about 23 cents in value. The 10 Pfennig is the next German coin that I have, and I have one from 1995. The 10 Pfennig was from the Federal Republic period, and that period was from 1990 until 2001. The composition is a brass-plated steel. The mint marks vary from A to J, and the mint mark of my 10 Pfennig is, let's see, it's an F mint mark. The F mint mark means it was made in Stuttgart, Germany, and there were over 132 million minted. The F mint mark is actually the most valuable one of these 10 Pfennigs, and it brings about 22 cents. If I had the D mint mark, that is the least valuable, which is about 18 cents. The Pfennigs really aren't all that valuable, but they're pretty cool German coins. The last German coin I'm going to cover today is the 1990 Germany 5 mark. The 5 mark was made in the period of the Federal Republic from 1990 until 2001. The composition is copper and nickel. It's got a lettered edge, and the mint mark depends on the value of said coin. And the mint mark of my 5 mark is D. D means it was made in Munich. There were over 20,904,000 minted, and the value of this 5 mark is $2.61. If you had the G mint mark, it would be $5.33. The next country I'm covering is Italy. I only have two. I actually have several of each coin, but I only have 2 separate denomination Italian coins. The first one being a 200 lire from 1978. Lire or lira, it's not lire, I think it's lira or something like that, but you get what I'm saying. The period was the Repubblica Italiana from 1946 to 2001. Of course, there were circulation coins. The composition was aluminum bronze, and the edge type was reeded. The mint mark is R for Rome, Italy, and there were 461,034,000 minted. The obverse shows the picture of Mario Vellucci, and one of these puppies is worth about 30 cents in US dollars. Next up, I have some coins from the European Union. The first coin that I have is the 1 euro cent. The 1 euro cent has a value of a 100th of a euro, and it is composed of a copper-covered steel. It is the lowest value coin in the Eurozone. The next highest is the 2 and the 5, and then so on and so forth. The coins of every Euro country have a common reverse, and each have a country-specific national obverse. The coin has been used since 2002 and was not redesigned in 2007 as the case of the higher value coins. Next up is the 5 euro cent coin. The 5 euro cent coin has a value of 1/20th of a euro and is composed of a copper steel. All coins have a common reverse and a country-specific national obverse. Just like the 1 euro cent, this coin has been used since 2002 and wasn't redesigned in 2007. The coin dates from 2002 when euro coins and banknotes were introduced into the 12-member Eurozone and its related territories. The common side was designed by an artist who won a Europe competition to design the new coins. Next up is the 10 euro coin. The 10 euro coin has a value of 1/10 of a euro and is composed of an alloy called Nordic gold. All coins, just like the previous coins, have a common reverse side and a country-specific national side. The coin again has been used since 2002, with the coin's present common side dating from 2007. The second to last coin I have is the 20 euro cent. The 20 euro cent is very similar to the other coins I mentioned, with being used since 2002 and being redesigned in 2007, and also having a common reverse side and a country-specific national side. But the 20 euro cent is different in being 1/5 of a euro, and it's also composed of an alloy called Nordic gold, just like the 10 euro cent. The one thing that differs it is it has the Nordic gold in the Spanish flower shape. The last coin from the European Union I have for you is the 1 euro coin. The 1 euro coin, it's the value of 1 euro. It is made from 2 alloys. The inner part is a copper nickel, and the outer part is a nickel brass. All coins have a common reverse side and a country-specific national side. As of July 2019, there were approximately 7.5 billion 1 euro coins in circulation, consisting in 25.3% of all circulated euro coins by value and 5.6% by quantity. The next few coins I have are from PewDiePie's country, Sweden. The first coin I have is a 10 ore coin. The one I have in particular is from 1982, I think it is. And a 10 ore coin was made in the period of Queen Margaret II from 1973 to 1988. The composition is a copper nickel, and it's a regular smooth round coin. And in 1982 year, the mint mark was an R, and there were 40,195,000 minted, and the value in US dollars today is about 21 cents. Not worth all that much, but hey, I've never had a Swedish coin before, so there's that type of value. The last Swedish coin I'm going to be covering today is the Sweden 5 kroner. The 5 kroner is from the King Carl XVI Gustaf period. That was from 1975 until 2019. And the composition is a copper nickel. It is a smooth round metal coin, of course. And there are about 27,690,000 of these minted. And in the US dollars, these things are worth about $1.52. The last couple of coins I have for you today are from the land down under, Australia. The first coin I have for you today is the Australian $2 coin. The Australian $2 coin is, the highest denomination coin of the Australian dollar. The composition is 92% copper, 6% aluminum, and 2% nickel. And the designer was Ian Rank Broadley. It was first issued on the 20th of June, 1988, having been in planning since the mid-70s. It replaced the $2 note due to having a longer circulatory life. The only mint set year was 1991. The $1 and $2 coins are legal tender up to the sum exceeding 10 times the face value of the coin concerned. The next Australian coin is one of my personal favorites because it's got a platypus on it, and platypuses are cool. The Australian 20-cent coin. They've been minting it since 1966, and it's made of 75% copper and 25% nickel. The Australian 20-cent coin was issued on the 14th of February 1966, replacing the florin, which was worth 2 shillings, or 1/10 of a pound. To date, 4 different obverse-facing designs have been used from 1966 to 1984. Queen Elizabeth II was put on there from 1985 to 1998, and the head, Raphael Makhlouf, was put on the coin from 1999 to 2019, and the head of Ian Rank Broadley has been put on there since 2019. The obverse has the inscription Australia and the year of issue, and on the right-hand side, and Queen Elizabeth on the left-hand side. From 1966 to 1994, the design of the reverse was the face of Stuart Delvin's platypus, with the exception of commemorative issues. It continues to be the standard design for the reverse face. Next up is the Australian 10-cent coin. The Australian 10-cent coin is composed of, again, 75% copper, 25% nickel, and when the dollar was introduced as half of the Australian pound on Valentine's Day 1966, the coin inherited specifications of the pre-decimal shilling. Both coins were worth 1/20th of a pound. On introduction, it was the 4th lowest denomination coin. Since the withdrawal from the circulation of the 1 and 2 cents in 1992, it is now the 2nd lowest denomination coin in circulation. The image of a male superb lyrebird is displayed on the reverse of all 10-cent coins, It was designed by Stuart Delvin, who designed the reverses of all the coins of the Australian dollars introduced in 1966. 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, and 50 cent coins are legal tender up to the sum of $5. The last Australian coin, and the very last coin I have for you today, is the Australian 5 cent coin. It is the lowest denomination circulating coin of the Australian dollar. It was introduced on Valentine's Day in 1966, replacing the pre-decimal sixpence. It has been the lowest denomination coin in general circulation since the withdrawal of the 1 and 2 cent pieces in 1992. Due to inflation, the purchasing power of the 5 cent coin continues to drop, and as of 2018 represents about 0.27% of the country's minimum hourly wage workers as of age 21 or over. The coin was introduced into circulation again 14th of February 1966, and in the first year of minting, 30 million was struck at the British Royal Mint, in addition to 45.4 million at the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra. Since then, with the exception of 1981, they've been produced exclusively in Canberra. The reverse depicts an echidna, and the obverse is the head of state, Queen Elizabeth II. And it's the only coin in this denomination. The only commemorative coin in this denomination was issued in 2016 to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the decimal currency. This coin is the highest mintage of any coins, and it doesn't circulate well because of its value. The lowest mintage was 8.25 million in 1972, and the highest is over 306.5 million in 2006. There has been some debate about removing this coin from circulation, mainly stated for its low value and high cost. On the 23rd of May 2009, Fairfax newspapers reported the Royal Australian Mint planned on scrapping the coin. But as of right now, the coin is still in circulation, and it seems like plans for scrapping it are still in the mix, but I might update you on it if they do go through with it. Well, those were the 5 countries and their coins. I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. I reached 270 subscribers, and I'm counting. I remember when 100 was a big number to reach, then 200, and coming up 300 almost. So that being said, my name is Just a Fun Guy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon. And my social media and email are down below, so do whatever you want with that information. And with that being said, I'm signing off. So long, YouTube.